We are only giving you time now. You pack all your belongings and your kiosk and you move from this place, please.
Time.
Now. Now.
Now.
Stand back here.
Yeah, like I was saying, guys, now we are heading to Kairawa Avenue. You know, this is the highway that projects to Kairawa Avenue. So it's actually where we're heading to right now.
These people parking here, are they for your staff or for the customers?
Some of the customers.
Some of them customers. Some of them?
They stay long.
Yeah,
Our staff are inside.
Yes, because our problem is you don't have much problem for the customers parking here. Because we know it's just a matter of time. Yeah. 1 hour, 30 minutes, and they go. But like they need to be structured. At least because if you see how they park, it's very quick to the road. And they're going to be obstruct for the stadium. So which means they're going to force them to use the part of the road if you are going.
Yeah, for the purpose of here, sorry,
yes.
for interrupting you. Okay. That's for the motorbike. Okay. That's why we leave this space for motorbikes. Okay. Yeah. The vehicles we park them like this.
I mean, these vehicles here, that should be the responsibility of the institution.
Exactly.
At least to arrange them in a way that they're not going to be an obstruction for the traffic. Okay. That's our problem. Yeah. All right. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Oh, my people.
You got it, dig it. Hey, apa yang namanya pun nak berlaku apa tu? You're not finished?
Wow.
You are the bank manager?
No, I'm not the paramedic. I'm the supervisor.
Supervisor. Yeah. Good. Our problem is this beautification here. This carpet here needs to be removed. We have no problem with the flowers. But cannot be foreign structures on the roof.
Yes.
Because this is a part of the premises. It is on the road reserve. Okay. So putting this here now, they're going to compel people to using the part of the road if they are for their movements. And that's our problem here.
So you mean we should remove the perimeter?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. I will relay the message. All right, thank you. Okay. Permission, sir.
Thank you. Good afternoon. Fine. We are tax force.
Yeah.
Operation Clear the Road. Our problem is with this billboard here. Okay. That's one of our problems that we remove. Okay. That's fine. This one here also cannot be here. Okay. This place is a showroom. This is a road reserve. It's for everybody. Okay. And the attachment also you put up that roof from the wall should be removed. It's a part of your premise.
Like it till
where you put the corrugate.
Yeah.
From the corrugate. Anything attached to the building, you need to remove it out. Okay. You understand?
Yeah.
We give you an audience tomorrow. If you fail to comply, you come and we take the law on you, please.
No problem.
Thank you. Yes, brother, now. Yeah, finish. Good. We are tax force, Operation Clear the Road. Then we go pull in the Gajena for focus premises here. This block work. Everything has to be removed. Yes. Wall being, half wall. Right. Anything attached on the... No. Even this roof up is going out. These guys are stop everything have stuff from the structure. They said no attachment on your building. All your activities have to remain inside the property, not outside. That's our point here. Understand? Well, then you have to go now, please, huh?
So you can see all these temporal stalls are said to be in the road reserve. You can see this stall just being projected very close to the high tension cable. This as well, you know, security wise it's not safe. This is not in the good side of the welfare of someone. So this guy as well is being told to evacuate this place because it's not favorable for business. It's an attachment. It's an attachment. It's in the road reserve as well. You can see him parking his material right there.
Hello. I'm fine. Yes. Yes. No. Only the rings you make around the pole. Come here. Let's go. How are you? You just come in here. Mister, how are you? Thank you. This attachment here, take it out. It's not part of your building. If you want something, put it inside, huh? Okay. Who wants? Okay. Who is here? Yes, please. Yes.
I was suggesting
Uh-huh.
from here,
Uh-huh.
I cut from here,
Uh-huh.
then remove this wall and the other end and cut from
We are saying you to move everything
from
from your wall.
the corner.
Everything out.
Should be out.
It should be out.
Okay, what of that end?
Everything
The
out.
floor, that one is attached to the other. I can level it together with the floor of the other side.
With you.
Not also the other floor.
We are saying no attachment on your building. I think it's very clear.
I understand. No,
What we are saying, no should be attached on your building. Anything you put on your building.
I understand, yes, I
now.
understand.
Okay.
You see that I can break that wall, small wall, level it with the other floor. Is it possible?
That's fine. You can do that. Yes. Mister, take this one out, huh? All right. Thank you. Who is here? Boy, this one, take it out, huh? Allow me. Go to the page. Nothing to not away. Nothing to not.
Stop it.
Who was this vehicle here?
Yes, it's the other inside.
He's on inside.
Yeah.
I know this vehicle will be here till the cruise.
Yeah.
How about let him come closer? Let him leave the road.
No problem.
Now, look at how it is. They are forcing people to go on and use part of the road if they are going.
So we need to have some
They have to come
forward.
inside here, please.
No,
Huh?
no problem. I will do
All
it.
right, thank you.
So
Who
that's all for here.
This time over here.
MP20, next shop. Yeah.
Yes. Sir, how are you? Fine. Are you working with these people here? Thank you. This signboard is not for you people. It has to be removed. It is only reserved, please. Huh? We want that will be done now against tomorrow. All right, thank you. And these people who are coming here for their normal businesses, you can how they are taking their people here. That need to be your responsibility equally. Imagine if someone want to pass here, look at it. You want to force them to be part of the road. It's very unfair. This is a road reserve. If you are doing a business here, actually, you have to also control the activities going on here too. Huh? All right, thank you. Boo dafa jëlee fi dégg nga.
Ok.
Bii kaw nga fi defee bii nii kaw nga ko def fii.
Nii laa ko fekkee.
Waa ana borom place bi kon.
Kooku dafa tukki.
Dafa tukki oo ko wax ko ne.
Waaw.
Task force ñëw ne fii ñu ne.
Waaw.
Bii nii dafa kawe.
Waaw.
Fii bokkul si kiram. Kiram fii lay am.
Ok.
So bii dafa war a level ak ground pour nit yi mën a koo use. If it is like this, te mënu koo use. Su comply wutee. Either you guys gonna issue operation. Dinañ bàyyi liggéey bi ba moom su ñëw mu jéene ko nga dem ko seen liggéey. And normally we give you now against tomorrow, that's 24 hours. Failure of which, you know, we take it cost. Thank you. And this one, we did it.
Ok.
See the one? Aha, get it. Yes, everything inside. Even this one's here, here's a showroom. You need to have a showroom inside your shop, not outside. Whatever you have inside, people can come and access it. But you cannot just come and display your materials on the road reserve like this. This is what we are trying to avoid here. So kindly ask people to come and take everything inside of your shop. And you go and find a welder man to come and remove this iron steel here and your signboard. We only give you now against tomorrow. Please, eh?
No problem. Thank you.
How are you? Fine. This yourself? Good. You're going to display all these products here. This place is not a showroom. You understand? Kindly ask people to come and take things inside. You have only one or two samples outside that we can allow. Please, yes, let them go inside. Definitely. Good. Task force. Operation clear the road. Yeah, then we can put living in the Mbaa bi si kaw. Ah? It's okay. On the road is that. You cannot just come and acquire the road like this and do your personal business here. This is for everybody. You understand? Kindly park all your belongings and move. And you take this case out here, eh? Thank you. Start parking now. We are waiting. Hanga lo mun neex delu. Waaw ka ko nga park. Park leen. Thank you. This is operation clear the road. Yeah? Thank you. This place here is not part of any private property. It is on the road reserve. The government is saying now, we don't want this kind of business on the road. This is for people, for the Syrians, to be using it for their normal business. If you guys come, or you people come and occupy this place with this kind of business now, you are only compelling people to come and use part of the road for their normal businesses, which is very actually not proper. We are only giving you time now. You park all your branches and your kiosks, and you move from this place, please.
Time.
Now. Now.
Now.
Can't park here.
No, don't watch it. I got them.
Because après, vous donnez après vous dites.
Okay.
Manuel de algo. From the wall, the Muslim. Okay. You are tawul bi nga try nga delu ci gënaaw dinga waaw delu ci gënaaw nga bass yoon bi dinga nga xalé ñu fi deñu nga ba yoon bi completely nga dan ci bi dinga defal lu légui ni Diko? Ba, ini fa so wala ali di sa. Debe ka bulo ko. Iya bunyi si. Ini mah kena kana dia. Nanga deh. Ebe jadi. Kau saya ada. That's good. Ada kau dogo kerja. Jangan kau dogo dah. Jamu silu. Alam rodok pun ini yang rodok ini sama. Neta jam basket ni neta mawat. Jangan kau rodok pula. Masa kena fala kau saya rodok kau rodok silu. Ni temu rodok kujang. Yang rodok pas ni jam. Mul dia saya ni mul ni rodok lebih kata rodok lagi. Hah? Ani neta sama neta jam. Ni bila rodok dia rodok jam. Sudah ni buat kala. Lepas kau sudah ia boleh sama. Enggak mau? Oke. Ayun po nga po.